Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to create your account on SweetMeet application. So first of all, you need to install it in your device, then tap on the open button. Then you can see here the interface. So I am man or I am woman. If you want to create your account manually, or you can create your account through Facebook, it's really simple. So I'm just going to choose the I am a man. Then you have to give your first name here, and next you can give your age here. So it's loading now. So discover connection in your city, so allow access to locations. So if you want to get friend nearby you, then you have to turn on your locations. So I'm just going to choose the continue, and you have to choose your location here. So it takes few time to track. Allow. Okay, here you can see it's successfully added. You have no photo, so you can upload your photos here. So this way you can create your account, and if you want to create your account with you can see, go to your profile. So now you can see you don't need any fill your account. If you want to fill your account, then tap here, then you can skip it. You can see step 1 to 19. Okay, so it's easiest way to create your account with Facebook, but you can also choose, I'm just going to choose purpose or acquaintance, so you can fulfill all the things here, right? So you can try it, like fill your account, then you have to step 19. You can see what's interesting. You can choose like cooking or maybe computer games, so you can choose and saved, and it will be saved on your account. Purpose of acquaintance, so relationship without commitment, or relationship is still figuring out. Friendship and company, so you can try it or you can skip it. Purpose of acquaintance, friendship, company. Okay, this will help with me to more accurately select partner for you. Okay, family status, you can type here your height. You can give your height 174 or 6, save it, and body type, so you can see here a regular. And children, I want someday. Okay, you can choose it. Smoking, I don't smoke. So alcohol, you can write it here. So it's friendly socially, so you can type it, okay, according to your educations. So you can try it. Okay, you can skip it. Finance, so you can choose. So it takes more time. You can choose manually. It's really easy. Religious beliefs, you can type it, or you can skip it. Zodiac sign, you can skip it. We can see what's, you can change it later. Okay, don't worry about this. I'm just going to skip it at this moment, and eventually you need to upload your photos to get the whole things. So this way you can create your account. So here you can see 40% you create your account. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.